Today we're into a question every leveraged trader dreads. What happens if you miss a margin call in CFD trading? I've seen this play out on the trading floor, and trust me, it's a game changer. Picture this. You're riding high on a leveraged trade, then boom, the market flips and your broker's blowing up your phone. Miss that margin call, and you're in for a wild ride. Stick with me, I'm breaking it all down. So what's a margin call? It's your broker saying, "Hey Harry, old buddy, old pal, your account's bleeding cash and I need you to top it up like right now." In CFD trading, you're using leverage, sometimes 5, 10, 20, even 50 times your money. That's rocket fuel for gains. But when the market turns, your equity can vanish fast. If it drops below the minimum margin, your broker's not waiting around. Here's where it gets real. If you don't meet that margin call, say you're too late or just can't afford it, your broker starts closing your positions. They'll liquidate your trades, starting with the losers, to cover their risk. I've seen traders lose 50% of their account in hours. Worse, if the market gaps, like during a crash, you could owe more than you put in. No joke, negative balances happen, and without protection, you're on the hook. Let's break it down. You've got $5,000 and open a $50,000 CFD position with 10-to-1 leverage. The market drops 5%, that's $2,500 gone. Your equity's now $2,500, but your broker needs $5,000 to keep the trade alive. Miss the call? They sell out at a loss, and you're left with crumbs, or debt if it gaps worse. I've watched this sink newbies and pros alike. Want to stay ahead? Use stop-loss orders, non-negotiable, and no leverage at all. Or pick a broker with negative balance protection too. It's a lifesaver. Wall Street doesn't mess around, and neither should you. That's the raw truth about margin calls. Drop a comment. Ever been hit by one? Smash that subscribe button for more insider tips. See you in the next one. Stay sharp.